What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevrolet Camaro remote key fob. This Chevy Camaro key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. So in the space where that key blade flipped out of, what I like to do is just get a couple fingers in there like that, and then get my thumb on the bottom of the case, the bottom of the cover right here, and just kind of peel back like that. And now we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get a fingernail on the side of that battery and pop it out of there. It doesn't take too much. But what I like to do is just grab a flathead screwdriver and pop it out of that holder like that. Once we get our old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And taking a look at this battery holder, you can see this side right here kind of has that flat edge with that plastic piece. That's the side I'm going to tuck in first, like that, and just snap it down into its holder. Then I'll grab my back cover, snap that on, put my blade back down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.